There's another furnace repair video. This is a Goodman. The problem with this unit is it's leaking water everywhere. I mean everywhere. It's in the back. You can see that. The little river back there. The issue is the PVC comes into this furnace, and then there's an elbow at the bottom here, and then there's a little hose that goes to that elbow that when this PVC sweats, the water comes back and it goes into that little tube, and then the air pressure from the blower that's blowing the air out has a vacuum which pulls the water through the tube to the overflow here and then down the drain. But what's happening is the seal's gone. It's a known problem with these units, and it's spewing water into the unit basically. So I'm just waiting for Boonstra to show up because they do all the work on it. So I guess I'll show you exactly what it's doing once they get here. The cover there.
Yep.